So here is the chicken Big Mac as I think that they should have made it, not as what they actually did. So we have, it's kind of, only thing is with the special sauce, it's kind of sliding a little bit, not as grippy as with the bun in the middle. Shoot, lettuce is falling everywhere. But you see the chicken patty in the middle, and then it still has the 2 hamburger buns. I just got home. I just ordered this. I've never tried this before. So I guess let's see how it tastes. I'm trying not to drop this all over myself. Mmm. Oh God. Napkin. It's actually pretty good. I think if I got this again, gosh, there's like sauce everywhere. I think if I got this again, I would definitely go very light on the sauce because it's like slipping and sliding out of the bun. So you can see the 2 hamburger buns are in there. There are 2 hamburger patties are in there. No. I had my doubts that this would be not great, but it's actually pretty good. It's actually really, really, really good. Yeah. Just a little less sauce, but it's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's really good. So yeah, maybe you can see better now. No, my hand's not turning the right way. But anyways, yeah, just replace that middle bun with the chicken patty. It's so good. Maybe next time I'll try and do their like spicy. If they the one that comes in the hot and spicy, do the spicy one in the middle. That might even be even better. But yeah. So for now, you'll just have to order a regular Big Mac and then ask them to replace the middle bun with a chicken patty. I believe it was a regular price of the Big Mac plus $1 for the chicken patty, I think is what they charged me for this. So anyways, it's really good. It's how it should have been put out. So go ahead and try it. Let me know what you think.